AI has changed every aspect of business forever. And if you're not leveraging the power of AI today with your brand, you are already behind. And I know that's terrible because you're like, dude, I wear enough hats. But AI has literally saved me and my team hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars within my own business. And in this video, I will be walking you through the 3 use cases you can use today to help scale your brand to 100K months in less time and money than ever before. So the first thing I want to do is walk through the overall look at how we are creating systems around AI for my business. There's 3: ads, landing pages, and automations. Now, if you're not an agency owner and you're an e-com founder, this video is especially for you so that you can get a better understanding of how operations for your e-com brand can scale and scale your brand. Let's hop into it. So as you guys can see, and I will walk through more of this in order for you to truly understand all of the different systems and automations that we've already built out. Currently, we have 51 different AIs and automations built. You can see within make.com as well as N8N, and these keep going on. And then we have a number that are still inactive. And then if you go deeper into our ClickUp space, you can see that we also have a project list and testing and backlog of things that we are putting under review, backlog, testing, follow-ups, etc. So the first thing I want to do is a brief introduction into what we have built here from a meta ads strategy for our e-com clients. With this, we are generating this creative strategy brief every single Monday morning. Now, in reality, we could do this more, and we might do this more from our media buyers to understand the outcomes going on within our ad accounts on a daily basis to make media buying easier. But for now, we're focused on creative strategy. So this report, it is, as you guys can see, 7 pages, 6.5 pages, where there is a clear breakdown of proposed creative concept, doubling down on transparency, elevating authority and trust, challenging routine and status, and enabling side-by-side comparisons. So those are what are running in the ad account right now. Our top performing ROAS is at a 13.95 within this 2-week time period, and our click-through rate is 1.91. Our new CTR stretch target is at a 1.2%, and our ROAS target is at a 5.5 on an account level. Efficiency gains expected. Next focus area, transparency, creative to warm audiences, A/B testing, monitoring spend. We have our performance insights, our top ad by ROAS, our top ad by CTR with high ROAS, and the delta is over the last 60-day period of time. So this ROAS is extremely high, outlier based on an offer. Our CPMs are great. Our ROAS is phenomenal. Our 4th of July sale didn't hit as well as some of the other ones did. Funky Chicken, 3.6. $8 CPM, which is, and our click-through rate is less than 53% compared to our delta within the ad account. Lower engagement, solid ROAS, video format showing strong efficiency. Our success elements, our creative elements, how we're breaking this down. So this is what is now possible within AI in systems. These things are making decision-making for us way easier because it's backed by full data. No longer do we have to have someone look at yesterday's click-through rate and yesterday's CPM and yesterday's frequency to establish today's ad fatigue. These systems do it automatically. Now, you might be wondering, ads. Right now, I still do not believe, except with maybe the VO3 update that just happened 2 days ago, where now you can use an image to video generation model. Prior to that, I still don't think GPT-4o images are good enough to use for D2C brands, because no matter how many different prompts we created, we still could not effectively get the product to be exact. And with our clients, we want exact. They've spent a ton of money and time on photos and branding and creative that we don't want to manipulate their product photos. So I don't think those are there yet. But one thing that I found to be extremely effective is the second thing, which is landing pages. More than likely, if you've seen this video, you might be now getting served my ads. This landing page right here, which is our 30-day free creative offer when you sign up for our scale system with all of our trusted clients and our problems and our ads that we've created in the scale system run through on how it works and how you get the best results possible. You're getting $5,000 of free creative assets. All was done in a matter of minutes using Cursor. Now, Cursor historically has been an app builder, and we have done that. I've built some amazing apps for our company internally and externally using Cursor. But I started thinking, well, everybody's overcomplicating all of this. As a business owner, I need to be the most efficient, fastest, most effective way I possibly can as a business owner. So instead of spending thousands and thousands of tokens to create these amazing apps, which we've built, I wanted to focus on what is the quickest to market, how to validate offers, and run tests. So I started using Cursor to build front-end landing pages with webhooks that go high level for our CRM. If you're an e-com brand, you can build a landing page immediately. You can create a draft that you can then validate. These are the things that AI has now positioned us to do so effectively. And the last thing is automation. One of the things that has taken so much time for my team is the creative loop. The creative loop, where it goes from our creative strategist to our designers, to our creative strategist, to our client, to our creative strategist, to our designers, back and forth. We call it the endless loop. And what we've had to do is figure out an automation that can make us so much more efficient in driving the best ads for our clients. So let's get into that. So we have 3 different scenarios running within Make that are all for our endless loop. So what you're seeing here is in our client's command center, every single client gets a command center. This is where all comms, tasks, to-dos get updated. This watches based on Make's native modules or nodes, gets all of the tasks within all of our clients' command center. From here, they get the task with the ID. From here, we go and we list out all of the tasks from the original list and we route these to update status. Now that's just one piece. From here, we have to go back to duplicating out the existing tasks to move them to where they're supposed to be. And then lastly, we update the tasks based on the client command center. So it seems a little complicated, and it is. It actually took us some time to really build this out, but I want to show you behind the scenes. So essentially, we have our creative content space where we have all of our designers working on these different things. Essentially, what happens is when we move something into needs client review, it will find the client based on the tag that we're using, and it will push that to the client's command center. Now, what happens is once these get approved, it automatically sends a request to the media buyer on this account to launch these and put them into the creative tracker. Once the creative tracker is updated, everything is done. But what if the client needs feedback? All we have to do in that scenario is we mark the status as needs edits. From there, the task moves back down to the creative space where the original designer will be assigned the edits based on the comments and feedback. These loops and these automations and these things that we're now able to build relatively quickly with GPT and Claude and Cursor, Windsurf, VS Code, any of these IDEs that you're using, you're able to build things, automate them extremely quickly, and all of a sudden you are saving thousands of dollars in hours of time. This is just a snapshot. If you're looking for more information, leave a comment down below. I want to make sure this channel stays e-com focused, but we are moving at such a fast pace as an agency. I want to share what is possible with all these tools. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you want that offer of 30 days free creative when you sign up for our scale system, click the link down below, book a call with my team member. We'll see you in the next video.